National Weather Service in Milwaukee-Sullivan has issued a special marine warning for Lake Michigan from Wind Point, Wisconsin to Winthrop Harbor, Illinois, 5 nautical miles offshore to mid-lake until 6:30 p.m. At 5:31 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing waterspouts was located 22 nautical miles east of Winthrop Harbor, moving northeast at 25 knots. Hazard: waterspouts, wind gusts to 40 knots, and small hail. Source: radar. Impact: waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. The severe thunderstorm will remain over mainly open waters. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. Now here is the